So most newly trained closers don't know how to put in the work, right, in order to find and land a quality sales role. Again, the premise of this whole module here is to at least help you guys understand that there are so many steps that actually go into finding a quality sales role. And so again, I'm not poking fun here. I'm not, trying to say you guys don't know anything. Like, no, that's not what I'm trying to do here. It's just that imagine doing something the wrong way because you weren't taught. You don't know what that step-by-step process looks like or is. And like you're putting in the work, right? You're grinding it out. You're spending hours doing the work. But if you're practicing or executing something wrong and you don't know it, like, is that going to bear fruit? Is that going to get you to your end result? Probably not. In time, is it possible? Like 100%. But we need to do things in an efficient and an effective manner, right? Because for you guys, it's about maintaining momentum after sales training. Keep you guys excited, right? Getting into a job ASAP, not 3, 5, 6 months, 12 months down the road. And so what I mean by, you don't know how to put in the work, it's you don't know how to put in the right work. Because again, your sales training is focusing on sales training and closing, overcoming objections and obstacles, right? They might tell you, hey, go join these Facebook groups and hey, go network. But again, are they giving you a step-by-step system? So again, you guys might be doing the work. You guys might be implementing and executing, I call them tactics because, tactics is not a strategy. Tactics is just one aspect of the overall strategy. And so, yeah, some of you guys are highly motivated and really committed to this. But again, if you're implementing and doing the wrong things, or implementing the tactics, it's not to say that's the wrong things, right? But if you're just implementing these tactics that are being taught with no step-by-step system, like you're going to struggle. You're going to struggle to find that job because you're kind of chasing your own tail. Right. And a lot of you guys will have questions. It's like, okay, so well, actually, what is networking? Where should I actually be looking? Where should I be finding? Like, how do I do these things? And again, unfortunately, it's not being taught. So therefore, you don't know how to put in the right work in an efficient and effective manner that's going to get you your number one desired result, which is a job. And so that's just the reality, right? And so what we really want to focus on here at the 30-Day Sales Pro, like with what it is that we teach in our our Sales Job Accelerator and our SDR Accelerator, like we want to build this thing from the foundation, from the ground up, giving you all the tools, the resources, and the step-by-step processes so that you guys can become self-sufficient, right? 100%. We believe in self-sufficiency. We don't want you relying on us. We don't want you relying on a specific recruiter, right? Like, no, we want you relying and leveraging everybody to increase your pipeline immediately, to have more conversations, to land more opportunities or interviews that will lead to more opportunities. So it's super important that, yes, we are implementing, we are putting in the work, right? But it's got to be done in a certain way. And if you are not doing things in a certain way, you will continue to struggle, right, to find and land that quality sales opportunity. And as every day goes on, as every week goes on, you will get more and more discouraged. And so ultimately, that's what we are trying to prevent. We need to keep your motivation up, your spirits up. That way, you guys will continue to persevere through the thick and thin, the rough and, the good times and the bad times, and that's just the reality of the space. So it's about putting in the work, but doing it in a very specific way, which will deliver get you the results that you guys are looking for.